Every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he. Yeah. Oh my God.
In Vermont, USA, winter and summer are different. Winter are cold, snow. You can go ice skate and ice skate. It is cold. Into spring, you are in hotter summer. The sun in Vermont too. You can go hiking, play golf or go mountain birding. If you so being on the or water, they eat alone, fishing and canoeing. They eat a toll to do wind.